So in today's dinner, we're gonna try and make the chicken schnitzel. That's how it's supposed to look like. Those are our ingredients: the chicken, the potatoes, green beans, and a few spices. And my husband here.
The main ingredients.
He is the main chef. Oh, are you not supposed to peel them?
No. No peeling.
So in Kenya, if you cooked potatoes without peeling them, people would think you're crazy. At least, well, but in the times I was growing up, probably now people do it, but yeah.
In Bulgaria, people, give the potatoes with the cover to the pigs.
Oh, with the cover, right?
To the pigs, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, because people peel,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
But then apparently, the vitamins are under the cover.
Okay. So the potatoes, yeah, cut them.
So, can we make quarters like this? Are you not gonna say hi?
Hi guys, that's me. Oh, there. Oh my goodness, we look so cute. Baby Adam is sleeping, guys. So Asen and I, we're basically making dinner and chit-chatting. It's our third order from HelloFresh. We loved the tacos and we loved the cottage pie, so we're gonna see how this turns out. This is supposed to be the chicken schnitzel, so we'll
Okay,
find
let's
out.
see how
Our
this
main
is
chef,
gonna turn
yeah. So it says you're supposed to cook them within 40 minutes. Do you think you can manage 40 minutes?
out. Oh, tiny.
Yeah?
40, okay. So 9:20.
Guys, this is the best part about being married, eh? I'm just here enjoying while husband does all the work. Why are you giving me that look? That's the whole point. Baby Adam is sleeping, and yeah, we'll see what hubby ends up making. So Asen washed the chicken breasts and patted dry with the paper towel. Then so now you're supposed to add breadcrumbs in a shallow dish or in a plate.
Okay.
And then after you add it, you coat the chicken all over with half of the mayo.
So I need this.
Yeah.
The whole thing.
Yeah.
This.
And then it says coat chicken all over with half the mayo. Yeah. So you do the mayo and then you do the breadcrumbs.
Coat the chicken. So I have to coat it, yeah.
With half of it, remember. Because you need the other half of the mayo for some other work.
Sure.
So you gotta love it with your fingers.
Yeah,
There's also this one, eh?
yeah, I know that there's this one. Okay.
Both-sided.
Yes.
Yeah, that's a lot of mayo to do that actually. We can actually put it on top of that, and then the other one, the downside on top.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll go get him. Yeah.
And then
Tops
in the
it.
crumbs.
Yeah. So Adam is awake. I'm gonna go get him while we cook the chicken.
Somebody's awake.
Yeah.
Chicken is almost ready. Potatoes are in the oven. After the potatoes are cooked, I'm gonna put the chicken in the oven for about 12 minutes to finish cooking. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, we give it 1 minute to finish frying, and then we put it away until the potatoes are cooked. Potatoes are ready. Now we're gonna take them out and put the chicken to roast a little bit in the oven. Then the beans are also ready for to fry them, to stir fry them a little bit with the mustard.
Say hi, Daddy.
Chicken is in the oven. The potatoes are ready. We mix them with a little bit of butter and the garlic, and then now the green beans are frying. We're gonna add the mustard after they're cooked, and then on the side we have the horseradish, the rest of the mayonnaise, and the sour cream mix for the chicken when it gets ready for serving. Our dinner is ready. Green beans with the mustard and butter, chicken, potatoes, and the sauce for the chicken. Now we're gonna arrange everything in plates. And the final product is ready. I think it looks almost the same as on the picture, with the exception of the sauce for the chicken. It came out a little bit liquidish. Let's see how it tastes. That's all from us, guys. I'll tell you how it tastes